There you go. So what's up?
Yeah, fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah,
Hey, there
good.
you are. Peace.
That's good.
You got some
Good to see you.
questions, do you?
Yeah, like there is something I have to show you. That's why I take here. Okay.
Did you end up getting the domain fixed okay, or?
Yeah, no, not yet. Because sorry. Oh, okay. I have to stop my video. That's why I am trying to show you something. Yeah.
Okay.
So, did you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Like uh,
Okay.
now I will do that. And you add some like theme. Okay. I saw those one. And also I already made the about us and FAQ. Okay, I already like, add those.
The themes I picked out, are they okay?
There was those theme are okay, but I want to show you something more advanced. Okay, I you got the like good theme, but those are like not the popular one. You hear
Okay.
me? Like there
There
was
you
a
go.
problem.
That's better.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I saw those one, but those one are the new one, new theme. Okay, we didn't use maximum time. We didn't use that. We use those one. I can show you something. Like I already opened for you. Like as a ELA or like something. That's one is a like professional theme. We use
Okay.
that. Yeah, that was a like
Like all said and done,
brand called.
I don't really care which one you use. It was a lot cheaper to buy them from Envato than it was from
No, can you?
Shopify.
Yeah, no, no, no. That's yeah, that's one. That's one is like cheap. I will use that. No worry about that. You just I can give you a demo. I am a store name. Yeah, just I send you a store link. Can you check it from your phone?
Sure can.
Yeah, another store I made it recently. Like telling you that.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that one either.
No, I want to show you that the like footer one. Did you see that like with collection and like all of those? But in your theme, they are none of there.
Shop summer collection, winter collection,
Yeah,
women's
yeah,
dress leggings.
like
Yeah,
it's like apps. It's the kind of apps like that. People can easily get your collection and they can purchase easily.
right.
Okay, for that. Yeah,
Yeah, that's cool.
that's why. Yeah, that's why like maximum time you do that. And another website name
There's even a wish list and the shirts. Yeah, that's cool. You can yeah, go ahead and use that one.
and also you can see this one. Yeah, just see this one also from your phone. That will be like
Yep.
so good.
Yeah, I got it here. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, I like that on the bottom. That's kind of neat. Home search. I like having the menu on the bottom. That was kind of cool. Collections. Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's. I like that one
But
better.
in you, yeah, that one is better. Yeah, I also
Yeah,
thought so.
I
Yeah,
like
that's
that
why
one
like
too.
I give you that one because you can like then compare, and then you can choose one. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
let's
why I
go with
first
that
time
one.
I told you you have theme or not. That's why I told you I have the theme. Yeah, that's one because we also always like design and develop. Okay, that's why we know that which one's better, which one people like, right?
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah,
perfect, man. Go with that one. That's awesome.
yeah. No, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Let me know how you make
Oh,
it with the domain. Okay.
yeah. I will do that. Like it's having some. I didn't do that before, but I have to like because that domain is that I show you that was locked. Okay, I have to try it like unlock, and then I have to do it like you tried many
Okay.
times. That's why.
If you need help
Sorry
with the
about that. I
domain or you need me to do
and if
something, let me
yeah
know.
yeah, that's why like I think many time it's like log out. Okay, and again when I try to log in and they need code. Okay, that's why
Yeah.
that
If
time
you
I
need a
like
code, just
can
send
do
me a
that.
message and I'll get it to you.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much. You are so kind. Yeah, I like very nice to talk to you. Yeah, I'm
No
also
worries, man.
glad to talk to
Thank
you.
you. I appreciate all the
Yeah,
help. Like you
thanks.
say, it's
Of course, anytime. No worry about that. I am doing your job or not. What is complete anytime. You just message me. Okay, that's it.
awesome.
I'll be
Thanks,
there.
man.
I'll be there. Okay, thank you so much. Okay,
Peace. Let me know. Ciao.
have a nice day. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone, hope you are well. See, that's the result of this order. See, that's one the website. That's one a new website. There was a no order or anything. That's a fresh website, no product. Okay. um, I try to create I try to like upload some product, but no order on that website. uh, Upload some product for designing. uh, See, that's the website name. Yeah, the same thing I think you saw when I talk with the buyer. um, I hope you saw that. And there was some policies I already like set up the policies. See, there's the return and refund policy. That's the I already write that. And that's the privacy policy. I did that on everything. And the another thing is shopping and delivery. uh, I set up that shopping and delivery for his product. Uses to Canada Post because he's based on Canada. That's why I set up those all thing as for Canada. And the shipping time was shipping time is 3 to 9 days for the Canada. Its delivery price is 20 Canadian dollar. And the US, for the US, 4 to 8 days. And let's see the theme and the design. See, I use here the ILA 6.5.5, the advanced one, the updated one. He upload those theme, but I don't think those one the good one. That's why I try to use the best one for the design. See, we came here to the under the website, inside the website, and see, that's the settings, all of those things. I said I already designed that website very well. Like all those things he needed. Okay, like we design the website, how look like all things like buyer need. Okay, like every time we try to satisfy to buyer what they need, what kind of design they need, like that. See, you can see the website. There's the like allowance bar. And also after the designing, told me to change something. And I changed something. Basically his product is uh, like selling all those sports things, summer sports, winter sports, all year sports. You can see that. I make the like mega menu for him with the picture. And also those picture he chose. He liked those picture, the all about us. And I made also a custom order tracker for him on the front. See, that's the website. If you can see that. And also make the like scrolling categories and the snowboards and the two picture of two different categories. and there is a one product. That product is like he's selling so much, that's why he told to upload that his website. And those are swimwear. Like there is a like for the skis for like uh, go to the snow. And there is a footer. I made that, like I try to like everything like as a like good looking and everything. Okay. And let's go to the like see the category collection. And there's the collection. It's look like Ela is the advanced theme, that's why like you can choose like how it look like. You can design every type of things. Okay, that's why I choose that. See, let's see the product. See the product page look like that. It's the related product. And other thing was the footer. Okay. uh, let's go to the like order tracker page. I told you before, like I create a new like order tracker page area free with the custom code. I designed that. That's why he don't need to like buy another apps to track his order. Okay, when you go to the like buy order apps, you have to pay them, but now I create them for free with custom. Okay. And see, there are just so many store I already worked already. Some many store were like already shut down. They shut down that. It's not my fault. I always, yeah, I try to design everything, and then after that they do all those things. But those are active website, and that's the website. And okay, I'm scrolling so much, like so fast. Okay. Okay, and that's the website. And you can see the like it's designed by me. And I put my name and website. It's I asked the buyer, it's not the like permanently I have to use that, but I asked the buyer like, can I use that my name on footer, on the footer. He told me yes, of course. And I can use, I am, you see my website, that's the website, my portfolio website. And you can see all of those things. Thank you for watching my video for long time. Please contact me if you need a Shopify expert, a developer, a designer, and a manager. And also I worked so many things. You can knock me, we can discuss about that. Thank you.